Man. You got him? Oh yeah, get him. Tricked you.
Oh,
nah.
Manufacturers all stuff.
Yeah.
Abu Garcia. He knows the guy who makes Abu Garcia.
Oh, nice.
You know what I mean? And hey, babe. It's okay, baby. I left early. I had to leave early, and I get gas and stuff, and it was 5 something. I'm like, I'm not gonna wake up at 5 something. She probably has it set for 6. There you go, Steve-O. I told you, 3-pounder every time at that freaking deal. Baby.
Boom.
It's okay. That's why that's why I sent you that message when you didn't respond. I'm like, uh-oh. I bet she.
Nice. Got it on the paddle tail. Boom. Right up under them trees. All right, dude.
Real quick.
What up, everybody? Today, I'm out here on the Harris chain, Lake Harris. I'm out here fishing with Southerland Outdoors again. So you already know. Like I said, go get it merch. He's got weights, a whole bunch of other I don't even know the whole thing. But he's got a bunch of stuff. You got to go check him out. Check him out on Facebook, Southerland Outdoors. And we're about to get to it, catch these bass. I already caught one before I even did the intro. So ha! We're getting more though. So let's go. I'm in the background. Fighting a fish. Splash, splash.
I thought that when I said, oh, I told you there'd be one there. You feel bad, though.
Why didn't you wake me up? Yeah, you called that.
How can there not be a fishing?
Yeah. It's crazy.
And that was
Like, this is like prime real estate right through here.
Look at this. You got pads, seawalls,
Dots. Yeah.
brush. That's brush right there.
Still shaded, you know.
Shaded. Oh yeah, hold on, check this out. Guaranteed that stays shaded all day. Guaranteed this fish right there. 100%. 100%.
Mess that one up. I want to skip this under that dock if I can. That's a tricky one.
Oh yeah.
Woo! How you like that mess?
That's what we're talking about.
Backlash, but hey.
It made it.
Oh, a hell of a... Yeah. And that was coming from, you know, the left side. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, yeah. The weak side.
Yeah. Dang.
You know, and that's what kills it. You make a hell of a cast and come back with nothing.
Yeah.
Then sometimes you can have to make just a screwed up cast.
Yeah, just like one of them shorts that I posted recently where I was on that pond with Calvin.
Yeah.
And we're standing there on, you know, on the bank. We were bank fishing, and he's like, bro, make a cast right here. I see a fish. It's right there, you know, like right up against the bank, you know, and I couldn't see it.
Yeah.
And so I was like, all right, you know, and I took my chatterbait and I went to flip it, you know, just a few feet out past the bank, and it hit the grass that was right, you know, on shore. So it messed up my flip, and it landed right on the bass, and the bass still hit it. You know? Yeah, I titled that video. I was like, "Wow, that fish was dumb." Yeah, yeah, because I messed the cast all up. It hit that grass. I was like, "Whoops."
And still got it.
Yeah. Yeah, Calvin didn't, you know, he doesn't like throwing chatterbaits because he doesn't have luck. And I tried telling him, I'm like, dude, chatterbaits can be dope.
They can be deadly.
Yeah, and
You get the reaction out of them.
and it's funny, you know, because he took me to that pond. He's like, all right, you know, on the way there, he's like, all right, bro, you're gonna have to fish how I tell you now. You know, they're gonna want a shad pattern swim jig, durker, you know. And I'm like, all right, you know, so we get it.
Shad pattern. All right.
Yeah, so I took a stealth chatterbait, you know, with the tiny ones.
Yeah.
I took one of those that was in a shad pattern, and I put one of my shad pattern Yodo worms on it. The trailers that I like a lot.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was tearing this up that day. We ended up catching eight or nine fish or something. But it was funny because, you know, I had 4, and then he finally caught another one, and we were about to have to leave, you know, and so I like take off running, and I'm like, I can't let them catch me. Yeah. And you know, I go, started going around the pond and everything, and I end up getting another one. I'm like, ha! Dude, I'm always competitive, you know what I mean?
That's just fisherman.
Yeah,
But see, that's what's cool about that championship deal I talk about.
yeah,
Because it's the first time that, say me, you, and Austin are the top 3 boaters.
you know, Shimano or something else on it. Might be able to cast further. I can cast a decent ways, but it ain't as far as I want to cast.
Yeah.
This one right here is a 13,
Oh yeah.
a Concept Z. It's a good reel, but it's all, you know, I use it for my cranking setup because it's I think it's a 6.3. You know, so I wanted to have a little bit slower retrieve, you know, with cranking. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, I'm not even biting. I don't understand it.
I know, right? It's crazy. If I didn't get that one, confidence would be shot already.
Right? Yeah.
Well, here we go again.
For real.
I guess it's just gonna be one of them days, huh?
We're gonna go ahead and idle back to fuck him out. There ain't nothing really moving back here. I was hoping there was, but there ain't. Not enough to stay.
Yeah.
You, my friend, should be fishing BFLs. 100%. 100%.
Yeah, what I'll probably do is when you said the BFLs happen when the Happy Hookers do their tournaments, huh?
That's the only bad thing. If the Happy Hookers had on Sunday,
Yeah.
I'd have fished with them. But Saturdays, the BFLs are always on Saturday.
Are they always on like the first Saturday of the month, or are they?
It changes.
Oh, okay.
But I had to do 2 of them last year and missed 2 Happy Hookers. Well, the only way I could fish the championship for the Happy Hookers, the classic, was if I paid the money that I missed.
Oh,
I
yeah.
paid full price. And I'm like, well, that sucks. You know?
Yeah.
It's like, come on, man.
Yeah, he must be looking at something out there.
He is. He's on that shell bed out there.
There's a shell bed right there.
That's the one I was talking about.
I ain't seen him catch nothing yet. don't mean he hasn't. So he was already there, you know.
Yeah. Well, he was actually up here. I think he went out and touched up there. For him not to catch one yet.
Alright. So we're about to go on ahead and move. We came up in here. I caught that one fish before I even did the intro, but other than that, we ain't really seen too much, haven't had much action. So we're gonna go on ahead and migrate. We gotta go find these good ones. Woo! Come on, let's go get y'all some bass. Is it kind of crazy that I like being in rough seas? It's kind of fun. Ain't gonna lie.
It gets the blood pumping, you know? I mean, a little bit of thrill. Man, I got the wrong bait.
He just shot you the bird and was like, I'm out of here.
Yeah, I'm out. That's how clear this water is.
I bet he would have hit this right here.
Yeah, throw that old Snaggle Susan or whatever.
Snaggle Susan.
You know, that's a 2 or 3 pounder just swimming around.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. That looks good.
Yeah, that thing's got some really nice action. And I always put my own skirt on there, you know, because the skirt that comes with it is crap.
Look, there's a gar. And this water's clear.
A little tiny bass. Look at it, it's like a little, not even a half pounder.
Don't say that's how clear it is.
This water is extremely clear.
It is. Not like the hair stain. This is not like hair stain water right here. I promise you. They're smacking this shit though. You hear them? Look, that's fish.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You take it?
All right. Little bitty one. Shade. Back.
Yeah.
Where it's at. Where that goes. Little. I mean, little bitty.
Yeah, I was trying to see if I could see it down there.
Right?
Oh, there's a little one right there.
That's him.
I don't know where he went. I can't see him. He was somewhere over there though. Didn't hit my Cinco. Man, what the hell is that? A big old gar?
Yeah, how big is it? They got a porta potty up there.
Huh?
They got a couple porta potties up there.
Might need to go borrow one for a minute. To light it up.
Oh, there he is. You got him? Man, this camera's this side too. At least we got one on the back, got you.
You want to show your fish to the camera? You got one in the back. That ain't cool. You caught one bigger than me. That ain't right. Nice. Got a good fish there. That's a good one. Yeah.
Put that in for the camera. Booyah.
Yeah, that's a good one right there. Yeah, need that.
Yeah.
Oh God, it did it to me again, seriously?
Found bass still in front of me.
Really?
Yeah.
Where at?
Right.
Oh, I see him now.
Oh, he dove.
Ah,
He got it.
you got him? Oh yeah, get him. Tricked you.
Oh!
No.
He was actually good size.
Yeah, he was. Man. So he dove after
Went after it.
Yeah.
He went after it. Awesome.
Man, that was a good sized
That was a
fish.
good sized fish. Yeah, if we don't catch one real quick, we'll go over some iron jig. High drill at iron jig. Let's get high drill. I'm about to go there anyway because I'm not tired.
Right. It's crazy. You'd have figured out of all the stuff we fished, we would have had at least some more bites. Yeah. Like, damn, at least let us lose the fish or something. You know? Yeah. You know, some kind of action.
Go to iron jig.
Even the mudfish ain't showing no love.
I mean, nothing. You can't get nothing. You can't get a turtle. We've got an iron gate. There's hydrilla there. Semi-grass.
Yeah, we'll let them come in here and waste their time.
Yeah.
Y'all have at it, bud. All right, we're gonna go on ahead and move again. We came up over here, found some cleaner water. He ended up losing one right by the boat, and might have caught one back in there too. I don't remember. Did he?
Yeah, I caught one. I caught one.
Yeah, he caught one up in there too. I totally knew that. But all right, we're moving. Damn, really?
February, March, when it's cold, I do it. Caught so many fish out here.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ah.
Mud.
Man. A big mudfish,
Big
too.
mud. Settle down, boy. Look at the teeth on that.
Oh yeah. Got some fangs.
Got some fangs.
Oh, what's the matter? You don't want to put them in the boat?
No.
Let them wreck everything. Get some slime on everything.
Everything. Man, I thought I had a good bass.
Man, if that was a bass, it would be pretty big.
Yeah.
That's what you get, dummy. Shouldn't have bit it.
Just like that.
That thing barely fits up in there. Or, well, I guess they just raised it up to that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. It's within like an inch of that roof.
No shit.
Mess around and accidentally crush it.
That was the top.
Gotta raise it up being drunk and mess up your top.
That ain't just the top. That's the... No, it is the top, man.
Something.
Multiple tops. Some of them are actually well designed. You break that well, that's four well.
Oh, there you go. Took you a big old fat poop, huh? You see all that? Nasty.
Watch this, I'll dive in. I ain't serious.
Yeah. Like, y'all don't like diving and swimming in your own poop?
What's wrong with y'all?
Humans are weird. Yeah, I'm telling you, that fish, that bird I seen the other day do that, just dove right into it. I'm like, man, you got some issues. Where them fish at? Oh, we gotta hurry up and get up there before they do. Out of here, you stupid grass. Oh, nice.
Only 2 fish and 1 up to the top of the water. That's it.
All right, that's it. That's a wrap for today. It was pretty tough and kind of rough out there, but yeah. I don't know, what can you do? It's fishing. That's my channel. It's real fishing. But y'all stay tuned for the next video, and don't forget to go check this man out on Facebook and all that, Southerland Outdoors. You know, but y'all stay tuned for the next video. And don't forget to wake up a rage. All right, peace. Bam. Whoop! I tricked you. You thought that was the end of the video. Sorry about the echo. I'm filming at my house because I got an announcement I wanted to tell you all about that's pretty cool. But they're outside weed eating and making a whole bunch of ruckus, so I'm not trying to film out there and all that. So just deal with the echo for a couple seconds. But the announcement, you gotta check it out. If you run a bass club here in Florida, you can sign your bass club up with bassclubstatechampionship.org and enter your bass club in to be able to qualify to fish a state championship at the end of the year. The tournaments are going to be held in March this next year in 2024. It's going to be in March. Basically, the top 3 boats, top 6 anglers, boater, co-angler, you know how that goes. Top 3 boats out of every club qualifies and is able to go fish the state championship. It's a $120 membership fee, one-time fee for that year, 120 bucks. And all you gotta do, finish in the top 3 at the end of the season in your points for your bass club, and then you guys will qualify to be able to go fish the state championship. The cool thing is that the boats that qualify from your club, y'all get to work together as a team. So y'all can do research together, y'all can be out there fishing and be like, hey man, we're on them over here, we're catching them doing this, get over here, and work together as a team. Y'all weigh in 9 fish. It's the best 9 fish out of your 3 boats, your team, that y'all catch. So it's awesome. You can work together. It's pretty cool. Awesome opportunity. It's coming here to Florida and everything. So get your bass club involved and get out there and start fishing. It's gonna be pretty cool. I hope I can qualify, because that'd be awesome to be able to fish that. But anywho, I really appreciate all y'all. If you stayed till the very end and seen this, then hey, you are awesome, and I appreciate you. But don't forget to wake up and rage, and y'all go check out Southerland Outdoors and all that. And stay tuned for the next video coming out next week, all right? I really appreciate y'all. You guys are awesome. All right, stay tuned. Peace. Woo. For real this time.